Welcome to the Setting Up the Data Hive video. When setting up your data hive, you can either use it as a portable data logger or you can connect it to a device. So for the portable version, you'll need a coin battery, and to connect it to a device, you are going to need a micro USB cable. This will allow you to do live plotting if you use the USB cable. So I recommend that you all try out the portable setup now. So if you get your coin battery and add the plus to plus on the back of the data hive, and be sure to remove this when it's not in use so it doesn't run out of power. And then to test that the data hive is working properly, push one of the top 3 buttons and check that the LED comes on. Now, if you would like to connect your data hive to your device using the micro USB cable, I would like you to then go to the website data.redfern.uk, and I have also dropped the link into the chat. So once you are on this website, I'd like you to click on where it says Find Data Hive. It's the blue button at the bottom. Once you've done that, a small window will appear and you'll need to click on where it says Data Hive Green. Once you've done that, this will turn blue. And then you just need to click on Connect at the bottom. And this will now connect your data hive to your device. When using the data hive in the portable mode, or when using charge, you'll need to read the data by using the buttons on the front of the data hive. The button on the top left is for temperature, the middle is for charge, and the top right is light intensity. The bottom left button is for voltage, and the bottom right is for resistance. You can read the values by using the scale in the middle of the data hive. Now, I wanted to let you know that you don't always have to connect the data hive to a PC or a laptop device. You can actually use a USB converter cable, which allows you to connect the data hive to iPads and mobile phones. All you need to do is plug the USB into the converter and then insert it into your device. I have 15 iPhone or iPad converters and 15 USB-C converters, which will work with Android devices. So if you would like to book any of these for your school, please drop me an email. There is also a great feature on the data hive where it has a built-in RGB LED set, and you can change the colour using the data hive website. Simply click on each colour and it'll change the colour of the lights. So let's take a look at the data hive website. If you scroll down, you will see that there is a live plotting section to the website where it shows you live data when your data hive is connected via the USB. Again, this can be displayed on a PC, laptop, tablet or mobile device. You can see readings for temperature, light, voltage and resistance. You can also click on an area of the graph to select particular data, which is a great feature to support weaker students or even visually impaired students. If you right-click on the graph, you can also copy and paste the graph image so that you can print these out afterwards. If your students are using the portable setup for the data hive, they can simply connect the data hive to the device afterwards and it will show the data that has been recorded. You can also use your data hive as a voltmeter and an ohmmeter. When used with the data hive website, it can also double up as a live data logger. Here you can see it being used in the classic fruit battery experiment to measure voltage. Or here it is being used to evaluate mineral density in soil by measuring the electrical resistance. There are a lot more uses of the data hives in the Sustainable Futures resource from the Royal Academy of Engineering.